What's going on, guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. Today I wanted to share my thoughts with you on the Fine Dine stainless steel mixing bowl set. Now, full disclosure, this product was sent to me as a sample from the company, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump right on into this. The Fine Dine stainless steel mixing bowls come in a set of 4 different sizes, ranging from 3/4 of a quart up to 8 quarts, making them incredibly versatile for all sorts of kitchen tasks. These metal bowls are not only easy to clean, but also odor, stain, and taste resistant. Made from lightweight, durable, and shatterproof materials, the stainless steel bowls are designed to last a lifetime, and they can be used for everyday tasks. The wide rolled rims allow for drip-free pouring, and the flat bases provide balance and stability for tossing salads, whipping creams, and anything else that you really need to do. Now, when it's time to put these things away, they nest together for space-efficient storage and to help declutter your kitchen cupboards. Now, overall, I found the Fine Dine stainless steel mixing bowls to be a great addition to my kitchen. The different sizes make them incredibly versatile, and the fact that they nest together for storage is a big plus. The wide rolled rims and flat bases make them easy to work with, and the fact that they are odor and stain resistant is a nice bonus. However, the mirror finish can be prone to showing scratches, so please do keep that in mind. But all in all, I would actually recommend these bowls to anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen tools. That's pretty much all I've got for you guys in this video. Thank you so very much for watching. I'll talk to you guys again real soon.